I don't need to tell you the thrill of traveling. Whether you're visiting the scenic beaches of Thailand or exploring through aesthetic city streets of Italy, there's nothing quite like the excitement of packing your bags and hopping onto the very next flight. But let's be real, travel can also come with its own set of unpredictable plot twists. Lost luggage, missed flights, or a sudden illness can turn your dream vacation into a stressful mess. Now, while we at Ditto don't specifically deal with travel insurance because we focus primarily on health and term insurance only, we couldn't resist making this video to help our wanderlust audience. After all, ensuring you're covered wherever life takes you is what we are all about. So folks, if you need help with your health or term insurance, then book a free chat with our expert advisors today and get personalized advice. Now, let's start with today's topic. Travel insurance. At its core, travel insurance is your financial safety net wherever you're traveling abroad. It covers everything from emergency medical treatments to dental procedures, and even steps in if you face accidents during your journey. But that's not all. It also has your back if you need to cancel your trip in the nth moment, or if you lose your luggage, or even if your home gets burglarized when you're away. Now, when it comes to types of travel insurance, you've got two main options. First, there's single trip insurance, perfect for those one-off adventures lasting up to 180 days. Then we have multi-trip insurance, which is ideal for frequent travelers who make multiple trips within a year, typically covering 30 to 60 days per trip. Now let's talk about why travel insurance is great. Well, it's comprehensive, covering a wide range of travel risks, and it won't break the bank compared to international medical insurance, which we will come to in a later stage. Plus, getting it is as easy as ordering your morning coffee. The application process is super simple. But like everything else, it does have its limitations. It's primarily designed for shorter stays. So if you're planning to be abroad for an extended period, then you might want to think twice. Also, it mainly covers emergency medical treatments, so don't count on it for routine checkups. And here's a big one. If you have any PEDs, that is pre-existing medical conditions, you might find yourself in a tight spot as these are often excluded. Now, let's look at some of the best travel insurance options available in India. First up is HDFC ERGO, which gives you access to over 1 lakh cashless hospital worldwide. They've got you covered for everything from medical emergencies to COVID-19 related incidents. Their policy is incredibly flexible, accommodating everyone from business travelers to holidaymakers with family coverage options as well. The plan includes emergency medical evacuation, repatriation of remains, accidental death and disability coverage, and financial assistance if you get robbed. What's great is that they cover people from 6 months to 70 years old, and you can choose between single trips or annual multi-trip plans. Next up, Tata AIG's Travel Guard Plus is another excellent option, offering coverage from $50,000 up to $1 million. They're particularly great with instant claim settlements and have special provisions for senior citizens. Their coverage extends to emergency medical evacuation, repatriation costs, and they offer some fantastic discounts for families. One standout feature is their geographical flexibility. That is, you can choose worldwide coverage or exclude specific regions based on your needs. Plus, they provide loyalty benefits for returning customers, making it a great choice for frequent travelers. Next up, Bajaj Allianz's individual travel insurance plan matches these impressive coverage limits ranging from $50,000 again up to $1 million. They offer cashless hospitalization at their worldwide network of hospitals, emergency medical evacuation, and repatriation of remains. What sets them apart is their specialized options for senior citizens and their comprehensive family coverage plans. They also provide flexibility in selecting geographical coverage, allowing you to customize the plan based on your destination, just like Tata AIG. Next up, ICICI Lombard's international travel insurance really stands out with its age range. It covers people from 3 months to 85 years. Beyond the standard coverage, they offer unique benefits like compassionate visits for family members during hospitalization and coverage for political risk and catastrophe evacuations. Their daily hospitalization allowance aids extra financial security, and they provide value-added services for dependents back home. Plus, there's no medical test required for policy issuance, making it incredibly convenient. Now, let's switch gears and talk about medical insurance with international coverage. This is the heavy hitter of the international insurance options. Unlike travel insurance, this type of coverage is designed for both emergency and planned medical procedures abroad. It's perfect for those who might need extensive medical care while traveling or living overseas. The advantages are very significant. You get comprehensive medical coverage for both emergency and planned treatments, maternity coverage in some plans, and many policies cover PEDs after a waiting period. Plus, you can customize these plans with add-ons and wellness programs as well. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The premiums are significantly higher than standard travel insurance, and you might face deductibles and co-payments before your coverage kicks in. Some plans also exclude high-cost countries like the US and Canada, and they're generally only available to resident Indians. Let's dive deeper into the medical insurance plans with international coverage options. First up, HDFC Optima Secure Global Plus is a powerhouse, offering base coverage of 1 to 2 crores with no co-payment or room rent restrictions. What's impressive is their benefit structure. You get a 50% increase up to 100% irrespective of claims with no clawback. They offer both cashless and reimbursement options with a small 10k deductible for international claims. The plan includes comprehensive pre- and post-hospitalization coverage for 60 and 180 days respectively, and even covers consumables both in India and globally. Next up, Care Advantage Plus with global cover. It's another strong contender, offering coverage from 25 lakhs all the way up to 6 crores. They provide various innovative add-ons like annual health checkups, air ambulance service, and their unique Care Shield feature. This plan increases your base cover as per the CPI index and covers consumables as well. Their no claim bonus super feature can increase your bonus by an extra 50% up to 100% of the base cover. Plus, they offer OPD coverage with specific consultation limits. Next up, Niva Bupa Health Premier Platinum stands out with its unique combination of health and travel benefits. It offers coverage up to 2 crores and includes inbuilt travel insurance coverage for things like lost passports and trip cancellations. They even cover maternity expenses up to 2 lakhs globally except in US and Canada. Their enhanced geographical scope add-ons extend coverage to the US and Canada, making it truly comprehensive. Next up, the Niva Bupa Aspire with Borderless add-on is particularly interesting, offering coverage from 3 lakhs all the way up to 1 crore. It features innovative benefits like Lock the Clock premium feature and Future Ready add-on for adding future spouses. Their Booster Plus benefit carries forward unutilized cover up to 10 times the base sum insured. Next up, and last on the list, Aditya Birla Active One VIP Plus. It offers extensive coverage from 50 lakhs to 6 crores with their super credit feature, providing additional coverage up to 4 crores. They include comprehensive travel insurance benefits and offer both emergency and planned treatment coverage worldwide. Their plan stands out with features like Claim Protect for consumables and Super Reload for unlimited restoration. Now, let me share some real-world examples to help you understand better if you should get a travel insurance or a medical insurance. Take Ashima, for example, a 26-year-old entrepreneur who frequently travels to UK, Australia, and New Zealand for business. With stable finances and frequent short trips, she's perfect for an international medical insurance plan. Then there's Anita, a 35-year-old IT professional planning a family Christmas trip abroad. Since it's a one-time holiday trip, travel insurance would be ideal for her and her family. Consider Seenu, a 30-year-old starting her fabric business, needing to visit Bangladesh for a month-long training. With unstable finances, travel insurance makes more sense for her 30-day trip. And finally, we have Hina, a 40-year-old planning knee replacement surgery in the UK, giving her stable finances in planned nature of her medical treatment. Medical insurance with medical international coverage would be her best bet. Now the question is when to choose which type of insurance. You see, travel insurance is essentially your short-term safety net, focusing primarily on emergency situations and travel-related issues. It's designed for those quick business trips or family vacations, offering protection against unexpected medical emergencies, trip cancellation, lost baggage, and other unrelated mishaps. Medical insurance with international coverage, on the other hand, is your comprehensive health protection abroad. It's like having your regular health insurance but with a global reach. The key difference lies in the depth of coverage. While travel insurance might cover that emergency appendectomy, international medical insurance would cover everything from routine checkups to planned surgeries and even ongoing treatments for chronic conditions. Think of it this way. Travel insurance is like carrying a first aid kit for your journey, essential for immediate emergencies but limited in scope. International medical insurance is more like having your entire healthcare system in your pocket, ready to use wherever you are in the world. The cost difference reflects this disparity in coverage. Travel insurance is typically more affordable because it's designed for short-term, emergency-only coverage. International medical insurance commands higher premiums but provides the peace of mind of knowing you're covered for any health-related situation, planned or unplanned. As we wrap up, folks, let's remember that choosing between travel insurance and medical insurance with an international coverage isn't just about cost. It's about understanding your specific needs and circumstances. Consider your travel frequency, the nature of your trips, and your health conditions, and also your budget. For frequent travelers or those planning extended stays abroad, comprehensive medical insurance might be worth the higher premiums. For occasional travelers or those on short trips, travel insurance might be more practical choice. Remember to review the specific benefits, exclusions, and claim procedures of any policies you're considering. Pay attention to geographical inflations, coverage caps, and any waiting periods that might apply. An important note, folks, at Ditto, we want to be completely transparent with you. Our advisory services are primarily limited to health insurance coverage within India and term life insurance. While we've provided this comprehensive overview of travel insurance options, we don't currently facilitate travel insurance purchases through our platform. Additionally, when it comes to health insurance policies with international coverage, we want to be upfront about the fact that we have limited experience with the claim processes. Since we haven't processed many cases in this area, we can't provide detailed insight into how smoothly these claims work in practice. The work of insurance can be complex, but making an informed decision about your coverage can save you from significant stress and financial burden. Take your time, evaluate your options carefully, and choose the coverage that best fits your specific situation and needs. And if you need us to do the heavy lifting, you know where to find us. Thanks for watching, folks. Happy insurance hunting and safe travels.